New at noon, a judge in Orange County is allowing a wrongful death suit filed by the family of a missing mother, Michelle Parker, to continue, but with some changes.
And you may recall Parker vanished in November of 2011, the day she and the suspect in her disappearance, Dale Smith, appeared on a taped version of the People's Court. The two were settling a dispute over an engagement ring. Smith is the father of Parker's twins. WESH 2's Bob Keeling joins us live from the courthouse. And Bob, Parker's family was there, Smith was not.
Yeah, that's right, Jason, because he was not legally required to be here today. But one thing the judge ruled this morning is that he wants some more information from Parker's family before he makes a decision as to whether or not Smith must come here and face questions in this wrongful death action under oath. A judge today ruled that Michelle Parker's family can file a new complaint in their wrongful death action with additional facts they believe point to Dale Smith as the person who caused Parker's disappearance and presumed death. Smith's lawyer argued that there's no evidence Michelle Parker has died.
There is no death certificate. There's been no determination by a court or by the Department of Health that Ms. Parker is actually deceased.
Smith's lawyer did acknowledge that he is a person of interest in an ongoing criminal investigation into Parker's disappearance. Her family hopes by putting him under oath in this case, it will give them more answers, though he is expected to take the Fifth Amendment if and when that day comes.
I mean, he has the option to plead the Fifth, and if he chooses to plead the Fifth, I mean, in my opinion, guilty people plead the Fifth.
And while this civil process grinds on, Parker's family says they've lost not only Michelle, but also her twins who now live out of state with their father.
There's nothing that doesn't point towards him, and it's just so sad that he gets to live out his life with the kids, with everything that he wants to do.
And the lawyer for Parker's family in court today did provide a document, a ruling from a Seminole County judge where Michelle lived that was a legal ruling that indeed Michelle had died as of November 17th, 2011. Of course, that was the last day she was seen alive. Reporting live at the Orange County Courthouse, Bob Keeling, WESH 2 News.